Whenever people hear about these spices like Lakadong turmeric or Bhoot Jolokia, their first question is always the same. How do I cook with these spices?
The interesting fact about these spices is that you do not need any new recipes. You can simply replace these ingredients in your usual cooking. Like, for example, Lakadong turmeric can replace your usual regular turmeric in dishes like dals, curries, or even turmeric milk.
Because it is stronger, you often need slightly less.
Bhoot Jolokia works differently. This is used in smaller quantities. Even a pinch of Bhoot Jolokia can add real depth in your tomato-based curries and chutneys.
Good cooking is not often about complicated recipes, but it is about the better ingredients.
When the ingredient itself is strong and flavorful, you do not need to do much to make the dishes interesting.
The Northeast has an incredibly rich food culture.
And these spices are just a small window into this whole new world. If even one of these ingredients find its way into your kitchen, this series has done its job.
Tell us in the comments which spice surprised you the most and which ingredient you would like us to explore next.
We travel across India finding new ingredients for you, but what we really find are new stories. We promise to keep bringing these new ingredients and their stories to you. Bye-bye.